Let's see how you can change terminal color in Linux machine. So let's just open it by Ctrl Alt T and zoom in by pressing Ctrl Shift plus or by Ctrl plus, and go to this back button and click on it. Just go to preference and go to unnamed here, right here, and just let's go to color and untick these use colors from system themes, and as you can see, color have been changed and text is this kind of color and terminal background have changed, but I don't like what I see. I don't like my terminal to look like this or even my text, so let me change it to my preferred colors, which is background to be black. I'm just typing 6 zeros for color code black, and this one have to be white. I prefer that my text or anything right on terminal coming in white color. I'm typing 6/8 and just select, and that's it. Color have already changed. As you can see, my terminal have changed. I think that's it. Adios.